Yeah. Man. Zoo, man, you hear me? Freestyle shit I'm about to hit y'all with. When I took the road, man, I chopped quick in a yellow bone with some real slick. Hold on, wait, yeah, I am a trip on my 24s when I'm stunning, bitch. Hold on, wait, yeah, I'm Murray Swift. But I got a gift. Niggas hate cause I done go, but I done chopped up and I done chopped a bitch. Every time I'm in another whip. Lil' bro got a candy whip. Them 22s and that candy, bitch. You ain't skating hard, you better watch them, chick. Hold on, wait, yeah, I'm overthrown. 2010, yeah, I'm coming, bro. 2011, yeah, I'm stacking dough. And 2012, yeah, I'm getting more. Y'all niggas hate, but I'm boosting, man. Hold on, wait, yeah, I'm losing, man. Yeah, I'm going up the end, I'm drawing up the goose. Yo, niggas hate me cause I'm losing, man. Hold on, wait, yeah, I'm overthrown. I'm a devil, man. You better watch me, bro. Coming down on my 24s and I'm chopping hard, you better ask my bros. Hell yeah, I do it big when I'm chopping hard, better ask a kid. Hold on, wait, yeah, I'm overthrown. Been tipping down since the 80s, kids. I'm an 80s baby, it's an 80s Grady. Hold on, wait, yeah, I'm a 90s baby. That's my little bro. Hell yeah, he got an 80s lady. Ha, better back, hey. We pack that with the 40 cal for that 38, and I swear to God, I'll mash that. Where you rag that? Where your stacks at? Yeah, I heard you got it, boy. Where that pack at? I'ma hit the block and I'ma get it in. Got a half a pint and a half a gin. Niggas hate cause I'm going